What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add name pronunciation on your LinkedIn profile. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my phone. I'm currently using an Android, but this works just the same if you're using an iPhone as well. Right, so all you have to do is simply go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side. Then from here, you want to go ahead and tap on your name. And as you can see here, I'm on my profile. Now to change this or to add this, all you have to do is click the pencil icon towards the upper right, and you will scroll down and you will see it says name pronunciation. You can tap on the plus there to add name pronunciation, and from here you want to allow it, and here you can go ahead and you can just voice record whatever you want. For the purpose of this video, I won't voice record, but at least you get the general idea that you can also do it as well. You can also go ahead and you can change who can listen to this voice name who can listen to this name pronunciation. You can say, okay, first degree, your connectors are all LinkedIn members. And once you do that, then person will be able to listen your name pronunciation once you add that to your phone. Once you add that to your LinkedIn profile details there. And once you're finished, just simple tap on save once all of that is done. And that's it, guys.